Okay, hello student, back again with me, Miss Vani. Today we're going to learn about food chains in different habitats. This subtopic is subtopic 2.4. It belongs to Unit 2, Living Things in the Environment. On our previous lesson, we have learned about the consumers in a food chain. We learned about consumers, predator, and prey. And now we're going to apply those knowledge to the food chains in different habitats. Let's check this out. There are many different habitats on Earth. This is because there are many climates which result in different plants. In hot wet climates, there are tropical forests. In dry climates, only a few desert plants grow. Different plants attract different animals, so we find different food chains according to the habitat. Example, this one in the forest. It has plenty of plants, so the animals that live also different than in a desert, and the food chains that form also will be different. So the habitat will determine the food chains that occur there. Now let's move on to next food change that going to happen in the savanna habitat. The savanna covers a large part of Africa. It is hot all year and the rain comes mainly in summer. Grass and scattered trees grow there. Some animals eat the grass and trees. Others are predators. This is the example of tree in the savanna. It's acacia tree. The acacia tree is eaten by the giraffe or maybe the zebra and wildebeest. They usually eat the grass on the savanna. And then this animal is eaten by the lions or maybe the hyena or maybe eaten by cheetah. So this is an example of food chains that happens in the savanna. Can you tell which one is the producer? Yes, the acacia tree or the plant is the producer. Beside acacia, there's also the grass in savanna that can be a producer. And next, which are the consumer? These animals is the consumers. They eat the giraffe and wildebeest and zebra. They consume the plants, while this animal they consume or they eat the other animals. So that's what makes these animals is the prey and this group of animal is the predator. They eat only meat while these animals they eat plants. So that's a food chain in savanna habitats. Next, let's continue to learn about food chains in an ocean habitat. Almost 3/4 of Earth's surface is ocean, so ocean habitats are very important. There are many types of seaweed. Most plants and animals are so small you can't see them with the naked eye. These are called plankton. Some sea animals only eat planktons. Others are predator. What can you see in the picture about the food chains in the ocean? Which are the producer? The predators and prey? Who is eating who? So if you have a look in this picture, the producer is the plankton here, or can be the seaweed, and later will be eaten by the small fish. The smaller fish later eaten by bigger fish, and then eaten by the bigger fish again. So the predators in this picture is the shark, while the prey is a smaller fish, and the producer can be plankton or seaweed. While the whale it's eat plankton, or also it's the small fish. So those are the food chains that occurs or happen in ocean habitat. And here are some words for you to learn during our lesson. Before, the first one is tropical. Tropical usually it's on a tropical countries that lies between the tropics where the climate is hot and wet. It's about 23 degrees north or south of the equator. And then desert. Desert is a region with very little rainfall. Savannah is a grassland region with tropical climate. And the last one is plankton. Plankton is tiny plants or animals that live in the sea. That's all our lesson today. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time. Bye.